Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft Legends lag problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, first all you have to do, click here and then type view advanced system settings and then go to settings, adjust for best performance, then click apply and OK. You can make it for best appearance whenever you want. Now just click OK and go back, and then go to GeForce Experience. Just you can if you can't find it, just download it from any browser. Now go to drivers, check for updates, make sure you have the latest update for your graphics card, then go to settings, scroll down and enable image scaling. Enable this option. After that you will need to wait a few seconds, and that's it. Now just go back and try again. Your problem must be fixed, and but if that doesn't fix it, then go to the next step, enable Xbox Game Bar, turn it off, turn off Xbox Game Bar and go back. Now go to background apps and turn off this option. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.